Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? Yes, my name is Debbie. Diamond Painting Cajun on YouTube, Instagram. I have a Facebook group called Diamond Painting Cajun, so y'all may want to go check that out. Today, how are y'all doing today? I have an Amazon haul for y'all. And I was gonna do this last night after my live, but yeah, I did not. Before I start opening all these packages and stuff, I want to welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. And y'all don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, y'all share if y'all can. Sorry, y'all share if y'all can. I would really appreciate it. This helps my channel grow, and yeah, I'm trying to hit 1,000 followers. I'm trying to hit 1,000, so y'all help me out. Okay, we have some Amazon packages. It's not PR packages. I purchased all of these things myself. And so I'm going to start with the first one. Let me get some scissors. Yeah. So, how is everybody doing? Y'all, I really want to do a whip and chat. But y'all know I've been having all these plumbing issues and everything. I had to call a plumber today. So, and then we're about to leave Wednesday to go on vacation. So, you know. Whatever, it happens, I guess. You know, can't complain. At least I woke up, so thank the good Lord for that. Anywho, I haven't been getting many. I have some PR packages coming. They're just not here because they're like all come at the same time. So I've ordered these because I don't know, I like them. I like them. So this is from Amazon. I paid for them myself. And I'm going to open it if I can. Figure it out. Yeah. And y'all know, I ordered these for Diamond Grandma's hashtag Beach Life 2023. Or Beach Life 23. So, y'all, this can't be happening. Lord. The paper stuck to the other paper, and so I don't even know how this even did this. So I'm gonna have to tear it and just tear it because I don't want to mess it all up. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know really what was going on right there with all that. Good grief. Oh, and I don't want to mess up my painting I just got. Okay, so this one comes with a toolkit, as all of them do. But check this toolkit out. It's got a squishy, a pen, a boat, a plate of wax, and some baggies, and it's got some label stickers. I don't know why. I don't know why. I really don't. I just don't know. That's how we say this in Louisiana, sha. Look. See that, sha? I don't know. Anywho. Yeah. So, this is a beach painting, of course. And this is a round. This is a 30 by 40 round drill beach themed diamond painting. To me, it looks pixelated. Like, it looks pixelated, but maybe after I work it up, I think it might be okay. I'm hoping, because I really do like it. It's so pretty. And look at the pretty clouds. Y'all, I could use this for the beach theme and the sky theme that the Uncrafty Crafter is doing. So Diamond Grandma's event and the Uncrafty Crafter's event, I could use this one painting for. Unless it has to be, I don't know if the Uncrafty Crafter's diamond painting has to be can be budget friendly. I don't know. So maybe I can't, but I can use it for Diamond Grandmas. But I am working on one right now for Diamond Grandma's beach theme, hashtag Beach Life 23. And I'm working on one for Anxiety Art Adventures. It's hashtag Claws and Paws 23. And that one's I'm working on Afghan Cat. So I'm doing one square and one square. Like half of the time I do some of the beach life theme, and the other half of the time I'll do the Afghan Cat. So I'm gonna do some Afghan Cat today because I worked on the beach one last night. But this is again, this is a round drill. The you have the on the top left hand side and the bottom right hand side is your legend. I'm sorry, y'all. Can't even think of it. So, and they do have, this one does have the DMC codes on the side of it, so you know the colors. And this one does have 25 colors. So it's really, really cute. I love it. It's, like I said, it's kind of pixelated. The drill field is clear on it. It's just, to me, it's kind of pixelated in here. Yeah, so it's really cute. I like it. And these are the color of the drills. Of course, they're going to be ocean-related colors. They come in the regular baggies, not the plastic, not the zip baggies. These things that have all kind of, well, they all have static if you ask me, but these are the colors. So pretty much, you know, those blues and whites and sand colors. Tree colors, greens. And here it is again. The stick on it is good, obviously. So, oh wait, I lost it. It's sticky. So, yeah. Y'all, haven't did an unboxing in quite some time, so forgive me. But we'll see. It should. I'm hoping it works out pretty good. Oh, gosh. So we're going to open the next one. I don't know why I put my scissors back. So this is the second one. See if I can do this one without it getting stuck to everything. This one also has a toolkit, basic toolkit. That's all you need to diamond paint is one like this to get started. It is a round drill, and it is also a beach theme. And it's a 40 by 30. And I thought that one was pretty as well. This one's, it's a 40 by 30 round drill. This is the thumbnail. They have 19 colors in this one. And this might be one I might take to the beach with me. Instead of taking a big one, I might take this one and work on this one. That's a great idea, because I am going to the beach. We leaving, like I said, we're going on vacation Thursday. They have a legend on the bottom right, and it does have the, yep, it does have the DMC codes. The drill field is clear. They have another legend on the top left. This one's really clear. It's really cute. I like it. I think I may bring this one to the beach with me because I'm liking it pretty much. It doesn't have a whole lot of confetti. It's a mixture. I think it's a good mixture. So, yeah, that might be one I take to the beach because I think it would be perfect. And a book, because I would like to start reading again. I used to read all the time and I quit reading. I don't have time to do anything anymore. Jeez. But the kids are going back to school, so these are the colors, and they do come in these types of bags. Ocean-related colors, grays, blues, greens, whites, lots of blues. I really think I'm gonna enjoy. I think I'm gonna do this one at the beach, y'all, because I think I'm gonna enjoy doing it. Because I think it's so cute. Look at it. It's pretty. I don't think it would take a whole bunch of time. But when my husband is asleep, and y'all, the paper on it's thick. It's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's nice. When my husband is, I should have left it because it was a lot better when it was. This is a nice quality paper. Look at that. It's thick. I like it. It protects this very well. But when my husband, I'm not going to wake my husband up while we're on vacation. I'm going to let him sleep in because he never gets to sleep in. So, while he's asleep, I'm going to be working on this. While we at the beach, I could be, or at the pool, I could be reading and relaxing. Yeah. Stick on it is good. Very good. This is a good quality, affordable canvas. I'm going to link these canvases in the description portion of this video so y'all can go check it out. Because I really like this one. This is probably going to be the one I take to the beach. So I need to put it on something so it can get flat. Yeah, I'm going to have to, I'm going to put it on something so it can get flat. Let me just throw these back down. Okay, because I have another box to open. I need to get this out of my way. One more package. Amazon. It's all diamond painting related, so. And y'all gonna see why y'all gonna know why I got this one. Why I bought this. Here in a minute. Goodness. Y'all know, I should have opened this before. The struggle's real. Good grief. Yay! I knew it. So this is what I got. I'm gonna unbag it. If I can. I'm just gonna cut this because this is no point in you know, if my hands would just like work for real. Since I had surgery on my hand, it don't. And all my nerves is messed up in my neck and everything. Nothing wants to work ever. Drop everything all the time, as y'all know. Y'all already know. Okay, so this is a storage container for your drills. Little case. Storage container. A storage case with containers. A storage case with containers. It is black with the pink stripe because y'all know I like pink and purple. Two favorite colors, especially pink. And this is what the inside looks like. It's 60. It has 60 of those. 60. And y'all know pink. I love pink. So, y'all, I'm trying to see if, are these look smaller than what I have, or it's just me? I think these must be, these are the smaller contain. I don't know, maybe not. I'm gonna have to compare sizes because I thought these were the bigger ones. I don't know. If not, I'll just have to strictly use these for my budget friendly diamond paintings, because they don't have as much drills in the budget friendly one. So I don't know, I think they're small. I may have to order, I don't know. Anyway, this is the size. They're kind of small though to me. I think they're smaller than my other ones. I should have checked out the container store, like the capacity. Anywho, it comes with all of this, which is a funnel, some trays, some diamond painting pins, some tweezers, and some baggies and some wax. I don't use none of, like, I don't use the wax, I don't use the pins, but I do take the drills off and use those. I mean the tips off and use those for my drills, for my drill pins, for my diamond painting pins, my like made ones, turned ones, or whatever you want to call it. It's been a rough week. Monday, today is Monday, but my Monday was like yesterday and day before that. But this is all what it comes with in the toolkit. So, I mean, y'all know the routine is basic. It's diamond trays, pins, wax, tweezers, and it also comes with the funnel. So I'm not going to open this because y'all know what that looks like. It also comes with stickers for the storage containers. So yeah, that's what came in that, and that's gonna be probably for the one I'm gonna take to the beach. So with that said, I hope y'all enjoy your week. Y'all have a great week. I'm gonna post some I'm gonna probably go live in that condo as well, because I want y'all to see the views and see the condo and everything. Y'all know how I am. I gotta show y'all everything. Well, not everything, but almost. But yeah, I'm gonna do a live from over there and post it, and I'm gonna post it on TikTok, and I'll go ahead and post it or I'll video and like the condo and all that stuff. I'll post it on my page and stuff so y'all can see. So anywho, I do have a TikTok. Everything that I have, TikTok, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, everything is under Diamond Painting Cajun. So that's how y'all find me. If you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. As I said, hit the thumbs up button. And that's going to be all for now. I will see y'all. I will not be doing a live Sunday because I won't be home, obviously. But the following Sunday I will. So yeah, so y'all check that out. Check out my channel. Check out all the y'all go in my description portion of this video. Y'all can check out all these items, because I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put them in the description portion. I'll put the links there so y'all can see them and or purchase them or go look at them or whatever. So y'all have a great week, and I'll catch y'all later. Bye.